Hello guys, welcome to AutoCAD tutorial series. This is Uday Pandit and you're watching MEP Technical World. In this tutorial, we'll learn about how to use AutoCAD command in electrical drawing. Okay, so before I start the tutorial, I would like to request you, if you are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So first let's draw the object which we are going to copy it. Okay, so here let's draw the circle. Okay, so type circle. Okay, here I have drawn circle, and let's draw another object also, which is triangle. So by using line command we can draw it. So here we have drawn object. One is circle and another is triangle. So here we are going to copy this object by using copy command. So to copy it, let's use copy command. So CO is the shortcut command for copy. So type CO, okay, and hit the enter. Now you'll see the statement like select the objects. So we have to select the object which we are going to copy it. Suppose here we are going to copy this circle. So select this circle by clicking on it. So here I have selected this circle. Now hit the enter. Okay, now you will see the another statement which is specify the base point. Okay, so here I am going to specify the base point of this circle. Okay, so at the center of this circle, let's specify the base point by clicking on it. So here I have clicked. Okay, now we can drag the mouse wherever you want to copy this object. Okay, suppose I want to copy this object over here. In this way we can copy this object, okay, at multiple positions. Okay, and now finally press the space or escape button to escape from this copy command. Okay, so either you type copy command first, or we have another method also. We can first select the object which you are going to copy it, then you can enter the copy command. So let's use that method. So first let's select the object which we are going to copy it. So I am going to copy this triangle. So let's first select this triangle. Okay, here I am going to select this triangle. So here I have selected. Now let's use copy command. So CO is the shortcut for the copy command. So type the CO and hit the enter. Now again you will see the statement like specify the base point. So here I am going to specify the base point of this object which is circle. Okay, now you can see over here our copy command is activated. Now you can specify the second point where you want to copy this object. Suppose I want to copy this object over here. Okay, in this way we can copy the object. Okay, now to end this command, press the escape button. Okay, so in this way we can use the copy command in AutoCAD. Now let's use this copy command in electrical drawing. So basically how to use this copy command in electrical drawing for lighting layout or power layout. Okay, so let's move to electrical drawing. Okay, so here we have a architectural drawing, okay, of the school. So this is the architectural drawing of the school. Okay, as you know that if we are going to make the lighting layout or power layout, we need to copy this architectural drawing, then only we will make the lighting layout on that plan. Okay, so let's copy this plan, okay, which is ground floor plan. So to copy this plan, let's use copy command. So CO is the copy command, and let's select the object. So here I'm going to select this whole plan. So here I have selected. Now hit the enter. Now you'll see this statement like specify the base point. So here I'm going to specify the base point over here by clicking on it. Okay, now let's paste it over here. Okay, so by clicking on it we have pasted it. Okay, you can make it multiple way. Okay, so in this way we can copy the architectural plan. Okay, now here in this classroom let's place the light. Okay, so let's make the LED panel light, which is 1 feet by 1 feet. So let's make the symbol or legend for that light. So let's use rectangle command. So REC is the shortcut for a rectangle command, and hit the enter, and let's draw the light. Okay, again hatch command. So here I have drawn a light. Now let's place this light in this classroom. So to place this light, let's use the copy command, okay, to make multiple object of this light. So for that let's use copy command. So CO, enter, CO. So type the CO and hit the enter and select the object. So select this light and hit the enter and specify the base point. So here I am going to specify the base point. Now in this way you can copy. Okay, here. So in this way we can place the light by using the copy command. Okay, so in this way we can use the copy command in our electrical drawing. Okay, so in this tutorial we have learnt about how to use copy command in AutoCAD and how to implement this copy command while we are doing electrical drawing. Okay, so hope you guys understand this tutorial. So thank you for watching this tutorial. So please like, share, comments and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So thank you very much. See you again in next tutorial.